everybody to today's webinar on ethical issues with generative AI. My colleague Brittany, Walter, and I are looking forward to walking you through the many interesting issues that can arise from an ethical perspective when using generative AI tools. Slides not move. Okay, sorry about that. So just briefly, my background, so I co-head the AI team at Sheppard Mullin. I have about 20 or so years of experience doing AI work. Certainly things have accelerated in the last year or so since the release of ChatGPT and other generative AI tools. I also teach a law school class on AI, covering many different issues, including some of the ethical issues. Brittany is an associate who works with us. She is very knowledgeable in many aspects of legal issues around AI. She does a lot of technology transaction work, focuses a lot on the data privacy, some of the training issues, and many of the policies that we work with companies to develop around some of these issues. Today, we're going to cover a number of topics, all of which have some ethical overtones for lawyers. One of the things that is kind of interesting to note is that there really has not yet been any formal new ethical rules issued by any of the bar associations in connection with the use of generative AI. We'll talk about some of the preliminary actions that have been taken in some cases, but for the most part, what we're left with is looking at the existing ethical obligations that apply under the model rules and the various state rules, and considering how they apply or may apply to generative AI. And we'll walk through a number of rules that have potential implications. We'll also look at how courts are responding to the use of AI, particularly generative AI, including a number of actions that have occurred already in the courts. We're going to talk a little bit about AI and the unauthorized practice of law. There's a fine line between providing legal information and legal advice. We'll kind of walk through some of that, and we'll wrap up with some of the issues in the White House's recent executive order. There's a number of places and a number of directives to different agencies that deal with ethical issues and civil rights types of issues with the use of AI. We'll cover that, and we'll